Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna do an oil change, tire rotation, and checking the brake pads. I bought my floor jack at Walmart, and they got some clearance, and it's only 80 bucks, and two sets of jack stand also. For the drain plug, the size is 14 millimeter, and crush washer also 14 millimeter. As you can see, I swerved my tire to the right side so I can have room to get into the filter. For the torque on the drain plug is 30 feet-pound. For my oil, I'm using Valvoline Premium Full Synthetic 0W20 as per manual, and it's 5.8 quarts. After you fill in the oil, you need to turn on the engine, run it for at least 1 minute, and check the dipstick if it's on the right level. Now let's do the tire rotation. We just simply remove all the wheels and switch it from front to back, and all the back tires go to the front side. before installing the tires, let's check the brake pads, and I got all of them 7.8 millimeters and it's still in good condition. For the lug nuts torque, I set them to 94 feet-pound as per manual, and when you hear the 2 kicks, it means it's all set. Reset. To reset the oil life, you need to go to the maintenance, hold on the button for at least 10 seconds until it's gonna show up. All due items. Click the all due items, and that's it. There you go. Reset.